Hi, this video is to teach you how to create a Google Doc and then how to share it. And so first of all, you need to be signed into your Nash student email. And then once you're signed into your account, you go up to the little icon at the top. If you hover over it, it says Google Apps. You click on that, and then it'll bring up a variety of things that you can do. If you're looking for a document you've already created, you probably want to go back to your drive, but for right now, if we're going to create a new document, you can just hit the Docs icon there. Once this comes up, and it will come up eventually, but once the Google Doc opens, or the Google Doc program opens, it will give you a variety of things that you can do, but you probably want to create a blank document. When you click on the blank document, then a document will open up, and the document will look like this, very similar to a Word document if you have been creating in Word. The great thing about the Google Docs, as opposed to Word docs, you have to save the Word doc and store it on a flash drive or on your computer or wherever. Whereas this, with Google Docs, it is automatically saved in your Google Doc application, as just all you have to do is be able to get back to your student emails. So you just need a internet connection, and then you can come back and find your document, and it's there. It doesn't matter if the power goes off, if your computer crashes or whatever, it will still be there, and you'll still be able to access it on as long as you have a computer and internet access. So when you sign into the document, there's a little space up here at the top that asks you to name the document. I've already typed in Debbie Lee Writing Assignment 1. Name it something where you can go back and find it later. And then you can set up your document in whatever format you want to use. I'm just going to use as an example MLA format. And so in MLA format, it's Times New Roman, 12-point font. Click on that. It automatically defaults to that Arial and 11-point font. That's what you're going to always see when you bring it up. And then you can change your line spacing over here where you see the little up and down arrow, and it automatically defaults to this 1.15, but you want to double for an MLA document. And then this allows you to do basically anything that you want to do as far as setting up a format. If you're not using MLA, you're using APA, you can do whatever you need to do right up here at the top, and it's very easy. It's very user friendly. If you want to center something, you just click on the little center line. It's very easy. So once you have completed your document, once you're finished with it, you want to share it with me so that I can give you comments on it. You want to share it with someone else. You click on the little share button up here. If you hover over the share button, it says private only to me. But if you want to share it with someone, you click on that, and it will ask you to put in the person that you want or the email address of the person that you want to share it with. If you're going to share it with me, you would type in this one. Always use the dflee 115 at Nash and not the one with the ST in it, because that's my student account and I don't go there. So I'm going to share it with me. You can add a note here if you want to about something in particular you want me to look at. And then you can go over here and see the options over here. If you send it that I can edit it, then I can actually like highlight things, put things in bold to draw your attention to them or whatever. If you don't want me to be able to do that, but you will allow me to comment, then click on Can Comment. And so if you want to share something with someone to read and you don't want them to be able to change it at all, then you can set it at Can View. But if you want to share it with me, at least give me the Can Comment section there. I won't be able to type comments on your document, but I can type in an email or whatever back to you if there's something big overall comment I want to make. You can add a note here, as I said, and then you send it. And what happens is it will show up in my email that that you have shared something with me, and I can open it and I can make comments on it. And then you can go back into your document after I share it back with you, and you can read my comments and make changes and do anything you need to do. The one fault that I find with a Google Doc is that if you're going to do something on a Turnitin assignment, you can do it in Google Docs. You're fine. If you want to, attach it to an email, you can do that with Google Docs. The thing that you can't do that might be asked of you at some point by me or some other instructor is to share it with Smart Thinking. And for some reason, Smart Thinking will not recognize a Google Doc. So you have to just go up here to File, and when you click on that and move down the list, you'll see Download As, and you have options. Smart Thinking will take Microsoft Word document. It will do an RTF, rich text format, or it will do plain text. And so as long as you download the document in one of those forms, then you'll be able to use the Google Doc even to submit to Smart Thinking. So I strongly suggest you use this. It's so easy to share it with me. It's so easy to share it with others if you want to. And it is something that automatically saves, and as long as you have internet access, you can always get back to it, and it is just, as I said, worth the price of admission for that alone. And the price of admission is free because with your student Google account, then the applications that come with it are all free for you. So use Google Docs, and it's simple and it's easy. If you have a question, always ask me. Bye.